Hi everyone, this is Mama from Blessing by Design. Today I'm showing our 2022 Deluxe Digital Planner. This is our third year of selling this amazing planner. It's released in November every year and includes 13 months of planning because we include December 2021. Our customers who have busy, detailed, daily schedules love this planner because it includes a day plan page for every day of the year. Can you imagine lugging around a paper planner that had 539 pages? That's why we love digital planners. This Deluxe Digital Planner has 8 versions available. Each version has the same page layout design, but each has a unique cover, cover verse, and color palette. For 2022, we have 2 new versions in our line of deluxe planners. First, we have the Boho Deluxe. It has a soft, neutral color palette, and the cover has some graphic feathers along with a Bible verse. We also have the Natural Deluxe. It's got a very trendy, neutral color palette with olive green and peach pops of color. As the video progresses, I'll change my demonstrations of the planner using each of the 8 Deluxe Planners versions. So let's get started. Our Deluxe Digital Planner is a high-quality, interactive PDF file that must be used with an application. After you purchase the digital planner, you will get a link to download the PDF that you can then import into your application. We recommend the GoodNotes app for iPad users or the free Xodo app for Android device users. In this video, I'm on a Samsung Galaxy Tablet S7 Plus with the S Pen stylus that comes with it. And I'm opened the digital planner in the free Xodo app, which is available on the Google Play Store. There is a pro version of Xodo right now, but you do not need to upgrade to that in order to use any of our digital planners. This is our original My Deluxe version of the planner that has a professional color palette of black, white, teal, and red. All of our deluxe planners have a simple design with quick access to months here on the left side. For example, when I tap on the March tab, I'll arrive at the March landing page, which has a striking image and a large verse. Stay tuned because at the end of this video, I'll tap through all the month landing page tabs so you can see the images. The tabs on the right-hand side will take you to various locations throughout the planner. First, we can go back to the front cover with this top tab. So the next tab after the cover, we have the calendar tab. Tap it, and we're now on the Year at a Glance page. This page is where you'll access any month dashboard, month overview, or week in your digital planner. Now let's switch to the new Boho version. I can walk you through all the links on this Year at a Glance page. We've included December 2021 in this planner, and you can access it only with links on this left-hand side. For example, by tapping 2021 December name, I go to December 2021 month grid. Now I can go back to the year and show you that by tapping any dash box by a month name, I go to that month dashboard. Here's April dashboard. This is a place to jot down a summary of your plans for the whole month. Now back to the year. I can tap on the May name to go to its month overview grid. Here I can label larger special events on this month page. Now back to the year. If I tap on any week of the year by tapping on a date, say June 6th, I'll be taken to week 2 of June. On these weeks at a glance, I can jot down plans for the week with a bit more detail. Now I've switched to the natural deluxe planner, but I'm still here on week 2 of June. To go to any day page from this week at a glance page, I tap on one of the circle dates. If I tap on the 5, I will jump to June 5th's day page. Notice that I can still jump between weeks using these week tabs on the left-hand side. Oh, and I have color changes to help indicate which week of the month I'm in. And at any time, there's a link back to the month dashboard at the top left of all the pages too. Or I can always tap the month name to go back to the month overview. Now from here, I can tap on June 5th again and I'm back to June 5th's day page. I want to show you a cool day page feature. It's these circle dates across the top of each and every day page that shows all the days of that week, and they are linked. Right now, because I'm on the 5th, the 5 is highlighted with a different color. Now I could tap on 9 and go to Thursday, June 9th, and now it's highlighted. I switched planners again. Here's the gold planner, but I'm still on June 9th day page. But you can see the new rose gold color palette for this gold deluxe planner. Let me jump back to the year calendar. And I'll go to the July dashboard. From here I could swipe one page and I'm on the month overview for July. And when I'm on the month grid overview, I can access day planning pages just by tapping on any date. Here I'll tap July 14, and now I'm on that day's page. I can tap on the month named July and I'm back to the month overview again. This planner has 539 pages. But with the digital planner, it's so fast and easy to get to anywhere in your planner. Now to the gold cover. And from the gold, I've changed to our fresh deluxe version. This version is full of bright, fresh colors, and it's got fun bubble graphics on the cover. So next, let's dive into these category tabs on the middle right side of our planner pages. We've got 11 category tabs that link to designated sections. Let me point out that when you buy any of our deluxe planners for one price, you get 14 templates that are included in these category sections, and those templates are stored right after each of these category tabs. When I tap on each of these tabs, I'll be on that section's landing page. So here is the track section, budgets, shopping lists, sermon notes, my journal, projects, parties, travel, reading logs, notes, and a bonus blank section that you can label for whatever you'd like to store here. And let's go back to the cover. Now I'm on the cover, but it's the Citrus Deluxe version. It's got a palette of bright, summery oranges and yellows. I'm going to now show you the templates that come after those category tabs. So the first one, the Track category tab, has 3 templates that follow it, and they are linked here on this landing page. If I tap Habit, I go to the Habit Tracker template. Or I can just swipe because they come right after the landing page. So next is the Medical Info template. And the third one is a Contact template for tracking groups of people that maybe you're trying to organize or work with on a home project or repair. Next, the template page after the Budgets tab is a monthly budget template. I could fill in my budget amounts, and then I could duplicate this page each month, and it's all ready to be filled in for that month's amount. Next, the template page after the Shopping Cart tab is for shopping lists. So the templates are kept right inside each one of these tabs. Sermon Notes template, a journal page template, my project template, party time template, vacation template, and a reading log template. The Notes tab actually has 3 note-taking templates following it. We have one for meeting notes, and then we have a lined paper page and a graph paper page. This final category tab is the bonus category tab section, where you can store whatever you want to keep track of or plan for, and so you can label it. Maybe it's for stuff for the kids or your special hobby. Whew, that's a lot of ability to be organized with this planner. Now we're using the Bright Deluxe Planner, which has our Blessing by Design signature string art stars and a fun, colorful palette. So next we're going to focus on these last 2 tabs at the bottom right-hand corner. This first Plus tab is linked to a landing page that has links to 5 blank pages. These blank pages can be used to create your own templates using the tools in your app. Each line on the landing page is linked and can then be labeled with the name of the template that you have created. The Help sections is accessed when you tap on this last question mark tab, which is on every single page. When you tap it, you'll first land on the linked index. Now this is where you're going to want to start when you first get your planner, so you can get to know your planner. You can also watch our 2021 Get to Know This Planner video, where I walk through this entire linked index of the original pages that come with the Deluxe Digital Planner. All right, now we're on the final version, our Blackboard Deluxe Digital Planner. It's a sophisticated color palette, a bit more professional and somewhat masculine in tone. So when I'm first getting to know this planner, I can click on any item in the list to jump right to that spot in my planner. Of course, we can start with the cover. Tap back again on the Question tab, and I'm back to the Help section. So following the index page is a page to help you learn what all these different tabs are and how to get to the different category sections. There's a page of answering your frequently asked questions about navigating to all the different locations of your planner. And we have links to our YouTube channel, Etsy store, our blog, and if you need to email us anytime with a question, there's a link for that too. The final 2 pages of the planner walk you through instructions for adding, deleting, and labeling your planner pages. First, for GoodNotes users, and finally for Xodo users. Here's where I'm going to tab through the left-hand month landing page tabs as I wrap up this video. Now, on our website, blessingbydesign.com, we have a support page that walks you through Digital Planning 101 and will help you get started with importing and storing your planner so you can have access to it on all of your devices. Thank you so much for stopping by to check out our 2022 Deluxe Digital Planner collection. Please give us a thumbs up on this video and subscribe to our channel. Please feel free to comment and send us questions. We love to help you with your digital planning. Have a great day and be blessed.